Agreed city, Nagaland Party, President, right, Stawal, Iman Bahai, our Chief Minister. The city, everybody, but Jingkren scheme. Kami kerjakan for Nagaland Jong Chief Minister. Jingkren yang kita scheme ham am di konstitusi berlebih mat di Malaysia. Dapat tahu segi tahu kamu sebagai voice of the party kami long kaba baik sih particular. Jadi kita long ni mau nanti ni dan saya copy dan sub copy. Tu kami sama dengan Chief Minister kami dia semua Ramadan lebih saya. Every President Voice of the People Party discuss district subject to implementation of many schemes. Dear Mr. Hamra, on behalf of the Voice of the People Party, I take this opportunity to write to you this letter in connection with the implementation of MLE schemes. Our attention has been drawn by your recent statement in connection with the implementation of MLE schemes, where you had expressed your concern about the manner in which the schemes are implemented, especially in constituencies representing by members belonging to the opposition. I would like to appreciate your concern and comprehensions when you decide to question whether MLE schemes have been properly utilized or not. I fully endorse your sentiment that MLE schemes should be properly utilized and implemented in a transparent manner. I would also like to bring to your notice that as a party which believes in transparency and accountability, it had already written a letter to all its MLAs to ensure that implementation of MLA schemes should be implemented in a transparent manner. Therefore, in this connection, I would like to take a cue from your statement and express my sincere desire for an independent inquiry into the implementation of MLE schemes in the state to be immediately constituted by the government. I would further suggest that initiate this investigation from the year 2008 onwards, starting from 22 Jingkren constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies. I hope you will seriously consider this matter so that the people of the state will be more informed about the entire issue. This is Shiki Government Chief Minister. Adiin bagi oso yang jingkren besmu, kamdon karu kompetisi kam kapan cenai yang agede pakai ini scheme. Karena kalian kerjanya, kalian kerja Presiden buat mana ini jika lawan us Chief Minister boleh buat tahu dan jingtoket, walaupun independent inquiry, bahkan sedang mentoket yang jingkren mereka mikir MLE scheme, lalu usnya ada jalan. Pada kapal sedang dalam Jingkren konstitusi, pas penbuat partai kami konstitusi.
Pak, I think kalian cepat aja.
Can you tell us what is the motive of CM attacking the opposition in a public place?
You see, I think that will be best responded by the Chief Minister himself. You know. But we as a party who believes in transparency, accountability and clean governance, we are here today to drop this letter where we have written to the Chief Minister asking him to immediately constitute an independent inquiry to investigate into the implementations of MLE schemes. And we have even suggested the Chief Minister that he can initiate this investigation from 2008, starting from Jingkren constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies. So, since the Chief Minister has expressed his concern and apprehensions about the manner in which MLE schemes are being implemented in the state, I think he should take this as an opportunity to investigate into the implementation of MLE schemes as we have mentioned.
The remarks came when your opponent Lamborghini joined the NPP. Do you see something political targeting versus
You see, that is natural. We are in this field, we are in politics, that is natural. But to insinuate or suggest anyone for any wrongdoing without valid proof, will not be taken lightly by the party.
Chief Minister, banyak orang sign parti Jong
Feeling am kay ke bapalong yung Chief Minister, let's say Chief Minister or song shit akan hot jangki previous ke party kalau pelong yung Chief Minister let's say bawang keren ni kinti but kawai ni hapan sotu ba kajing sadi jong ka constituency kamdei ha tang nakatao ke MLA scheme arklur shiteng system kalau yang saya buat kentiu ya ke constituency tang dai tai arklur shiteng dari ke state lebih ke constituency kan kieu hater kompetri kam janai schemes ke lingba ke department prepare pakata ke kamram jo sarkar lada mangi ki badan hakal yang persya ni la aban le ya ta adan ni panon rai ka roi ka pat dan dadon hakal yang sinsha kapubut nyim dan kam hiru bangi ni keren yenu ngin le ni rai ya ki kam roi ka pat ni ke ni ke kam janai jo ki department bat ka policy jong ka sarkar kani kade ke jing persyang ban ketat lo ke jingmut ke jipakhat ki paitbah rakaba pi persyang ban kedo ya ki ka benta ese ka ba pi klem perkhat la kalong ni em ka don nong rim ba pasisha
Kita mengisyong lah kemudian konstitusi kini surok lebih ibu ni bah kimio benong surok kemudian kemudian kentam berbah. Atau pi you kalau ni pada nama kentam pun sedih kita lebih kini komunikasi miskin.
Di kumbakalong ngalajok di ML election nadu sinem arajan pra hadu arajan khatra. Wat arajan khatra ngarenno kumbakitip new vote. But I think some sinem nadu ajar khatra hadu ajar arpulai. Aklam don benta ie ben bar constituency jadi di paitbah lah hadu wono benta hadu. Dalam kita ki sinem ki bangang along ko MLA. Ok ki bau paitbah ulama. Ki lo ki sinem ki ba naklam la ban peni ki kam. Bimut bau paitbah unang jit yang. Haus sinem ajar arpulai ba jingjok ba don bro. Angit ki paitbah hak jelagi mo ki paitbah ki hak jelagi but election house na apply kamle election kabalong simple nai election how apply for election ko shirkai ji the ka ji IG ra tendre pare ko badan bo khlem le yu jam magi paitbah ki pe ki shipu snem but ka jingram ko juma hata snem aja ka plan se kamle ki jingram na bo paitbah ku pai ai te ke jipnya ki jublei par sanjul thmai par ka sang pathai haka jima ki
Tapi you pada hari ini pun nama tu buat kita minta kampung raya kita jaga benar tu ambil boy sama profession kimda yo ek kita kampung raya betul betul.
Hangi ni ya ka Jong ka basisha lani da ka leadership mak Jong ka ni sarkar hindi. Ka bangi ba leadership ko makalong jo sarkar hindi kamle ka leadership ka balong rangba. Kamle ka leadership ka perkhat ya skill. Mereka di leadership ka perkhat tang harga politics lani harta ka electoral politics. But eki ke baki kile kamdei nama ka bit ka piang ka jong ka jela ba koi dei tong ban chupin tigana ba pa parti ka jong ki kandang ni sin sha ya ka jela ka jing da ka ba pynbiej pen kami ya ki paitbah ta ka de daw ba ka pulong but ka wei do no ye ka jile jong ka sarkar ini apo ka jinglang jong MPP ka dei ka jilo ben ka jinglo bo and ka insult ya ki paitbah nong ji mo ki paitbah nong ji ki ble ji ki wei pat ki parti kan de ji ya ki ki parti ki masin sha te kumbadon ka jingong mo you can fool some people sometime but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Laban pynbiej si bori di paitbah. Kartu kat ni na pergi paitbah. Lebih nama aban pynbiej di paitbah baru berhak di porta.
Can you tell us what the joining of lumbermen, will it affect your prospects, all prospects in the country?
You see, to be honest with you, for us as a party, the election is only once in 5 years. Okay. Not every year is an electionary year for us. So therefore, we would like to cross the bridge when we come to it. I think